Angular animations can seem mysterious until you understand the three-piece puzzle. Let's break down how to define animation states step by step. First, everything starts with the trigger function from Angular animations. The trigger acts as a container with a unique name that holds all your state definitions and transitions. You import it from the animations package and place it in your component's animations array. Inside the trigger, you define states using the state function. Each state needs two things: a name as a string and a style block. The style function contains the CSS properties for that state, like opacity, transform, or background color. For example, you might define an open state with full opacity and a closed state with zero opacity. These named states are the building blocks of your animations. Angular also provides special wildcard states. The asterisk wildcard matches any state, which is perfect for default transitions. The void state represents when an element doesn't exist in the DOM yet. You can use void to asterisk for enter animations when elements appear, and asterisk to void for leave animations when they disappear. These special states handle lifecycle transitions elegantly. Finally, to activate your animation, attach the trigger to a template element using square bracket syntax with an @ symbol. For example, if your trigger is named slide_in, you'd write at slide_in equals the current state value in your template. This binding connects your TypeScript state logic to the visual animations. Remember, trigger creates the container, state defines the styles, and the template binding makes it live. Practice with Interview Mentor to master Angular animations and ace your next interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.